Hi guys, we've been getting comments saying that besides the digital video image, people can also see the reflection of the objects behind the mirror. Today I will try to explain why this happens and how to avoid seeing the reflection in your digital mirror. Most digital mirrors can be used both as digital and as conventional mirrors. I will turn off the video image by pressing this button. And as you can see, right now I can use it as the regular mirror. In this case, the light gets reflected from the mirror surface, allowing us to see what is happening behind the vehicle. For this exact reason, we can see this reflection even when we turn on the digital display. Now I see both the digital image and the reflection. The way to fix this issue is to tilt the mirror up like this. Now the light is not being reflected directly into your eyes, but you can still see what's going on in the back because this is a digital display. As you can see, the solution is quite simple. If you need to use the mirror as a conventional one, all you have to do is turn off the digital image and readjust the mirror. I hope this tip will help you to use your digital mirror to its full potential. I use them all the time and find them really helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.